Yes.
Hey.
Lazy. It's the animal. D-boy.
Yeah, bro, I'm going like this.
Get it, Lazy.
Look, first off, what's the motherfucking name? Talk up in the trick, talk up in the game. I'm running in the game, I'm running with the fame. I got the toolies on me, I'm pulling with the thing. Superman the bitch, man, I Superman the shit, man. I'm all up in the bitch, man, I'm tricking on the bitch, man. Trapping in the ass like 2450. Lisa go hard, ride with a stiffy. I got it, I know it. Girls love me, they own it, heroic. They love this, they love twist. Now let me put a little twist in your little dish, like.
Got you, Lazy. Then ready.
D-boy.
I chop in the pussy, I get up in the shit, beat it out the frame like the other mitts. I'm on fire, you can't handle me. Put your fucking steel toes on, boot me. Cause I ain't going to wear it, bitch. I'm in the game to stay. I'm going to get in your bed and I ain't going to wear it. I'm there to stay. Cause I know you want it. You want to keep me on it. Coming back like Ricky on it, but I ain't doing the shit. Me and Leezy kill the shit. I'm up on the unorthodox beat. Can you feel me, bitch? Cause I'm hot as hell, bitch. Like the sun, bitch. I'll give you a 10, bitch.
10 on my bitch, man. 10 on the ass, man. 10 on the 20,000 fitted like a pass, man. I don't even give a fuck. Running like fast, man. Miley C, man. My life stay fast, man. Lay in the chair, play in the chair. I got your girl, man. I'm about to play in the chair. I play all day, I slay all day. Your girl just sit there, she lays all day. Oh my god, what a fucking whore. I get these girls open like pores. They always screaming for it, more and more. Miley Z, calm down, I'm indoors.
Yeah.
For more instrumentals, visit TricksMusic.com.
I'm the fucking animal, call me the lion, king of the jungle. I'ma bite a bitch, watch yourself or you make a wrong move, bitch. And I'ma take your legs and I'ma make it my bone, bitch. Wishbone flow, cause I got a wishbone on me. And I'ma get up on it and beat it like a blownie. But I don't give a fuck, put me on the stretcher, cause I'ma be the last one alive to test ya. I don't give a fuck, I'm on my own money shit. You talking about that bitch, I'm talking about my money shit. Every wolf fight, any nigga that can kick me, bitch. I'm undefeated like Mama Eiley, bitches.
Put me on the name, Leezy, yeah, I put it on the thing. Leezy, yeah, they put it on the name. Put it on the label, put it on the label. I put her on the table. I fucked that girl so hard, now her ass is straight up disabled. Leezy go ham, Leezy go ham. I don't really think you niggas know who I am. Bounce like this, like I bounce like I'm on it. That Snoop Dogg flow, nigga, I'm already on it. Snoop, that's what they really call me, Snoop. That's what they wanna call me, not a West Coast, but an East Coast flow. Leezy got this, Leezy got dough. D-boy already know about the hoe, so we already get it and we already flow. Yeah. Let the beat play real quick.
Lazy. Fresh. That's D-Boy Fresh.
Go.